Alright, what we got is 3 empty bowls, right? First thing we're going to do is turn on the faucet water. Okay? So, faucet water right here, the first bowl. Second one, this is a water bottle that's purchased from Sam's Club. Okay? And that's in there. Second one. Okay, turn off this. And then the third one is sometimes supermarket refill water. Yeah. So, let's see right there. So let's see, I got the meter right here, water meter. Okay, it doesn't exactly say what's in the water, it's just particles, right? It's counting. Okay, so I put it in the faucet one, and what do you read? 237. Oh, 39 right there. Okay, that's the faucet water. Okay, so let's clear this up. Yeah, back to 0, right? And next one, water bottle. Okay, so it's reading about 3. Okay, so it's reading 3 particle levels. Okay, in the water bottle that's purchased from Sam's Club. Okay, here's one from refill. Okay, it's reading about 9. Oh, 8 now. Yeah, about there. 8. Okay, so this right there is counting the particles. It doesn't tell you exactly what particles. So what's in the water? If you look at what do you call city and county, state of Hawaii, and all those health department, right? They say 300 particles are okay, up to, and some of them even say 500 particles are okay. So, but what's in the water, right? Okay, we're gonna go over I'll just show you one of them. There's so many. There's been water pollution, this and that, forever poisoning, forever chemicals and stuff like that. There's all kinds of stuff going in the water, right? And then, but this is just one of them, which is in the next segment. Okay, just hold on a minute.
Expose the nasty.
Alright, I'm watching a YouTube where they're cutting open a 70-year-old water pipe open. Okay, and then to show you exactly what's in there. And this is just one of many videos. Yeah, and there's so many going on, so many available. It's up to you to see what. And this,
so looks like the water jet started cleaning it, but we still have a decent amount left in there, and that's nasty.
Like up here it's real thick.
So in Utah we have what some would consider really hard water, lots of minerals. A lot of people have to have water softeners here, and this is why. This is what 70 years of hard water looks like on your pipes. Right here, so on the outside, this is where the water was leaking through, and you can see you probably cut through right through the spot where it broke through.
So which one's a stalactite and which one's stalagmite?
Depends on which.
Yeah, so I just put a pause on this, and yeah, as you can see, that's a 70-year-old pipe. Okay, now in Hawaii, how old are the pipe the city and county put in there? Yeah, I'll say, is it 70 or more years old? It's very old. And the thing, that corrosion in the pipe. So do I trust the water over here? Hey, the water source is clean water coming through. Okay, but once it's in the pipe and bringing all the corrosion particles through, right? As you see in the meter doesn't tell you, it's not able to tell you what exact particles, but very, very questionable, all these particles coming through in your water. So yeah, for me, I don't want to drink it. And as for the rest of you, yeah, it is all up to you to do any more research if you want to go look up, question your politicians or anybody else in a health department, or you can look up YouTube. I don't think this is all made up. This is a real actual stuff people are showing you, right? And even though this is somewhere else, in Hawaii, the water pipes are very old out there. Okay, so it's all up to you. Okay, today I'm at Times Supermarket. I'm here to do water bottle refill. Okay, yeah, this is where I get my water bottle refill. It's convenient. Wherever I go in my route, there's Times Supermarket. One which happens to be in Baratania, Times Supermarket, very nearby in my route. So I stop over, and then yeah, it's 60 cents each gallon plus tax, and I have to go over to pay first. Yep. So this time supermarket, yeah, kind of quiet. And you know, Hawaii, the water is good quality, comes out from very clean source, yeah, but it goes through the pipes, and the city and county placed the pipes all over, right? And that's been, I don't know, 60, 70 years. So it's a very long time. And then you know, even if your place could be new, brand new, you could be moving into a brand new condominium just built, brand new pipes, it's getting the water from those city and county pipes that's been placed there very long time ago, and all this corrosion. Yeah, so yeah, if you want to learn more about that, you can, you know, go into Google or YouTube or anything else, just type water pipe corrosion, and then look at all the corroded item in the water pipe that's building up and developing. And then as your water is coming through those pipes, all the particles that's coming through, okay, that you end up drinking. Yeah. And of course, you know, if you look at water meter tester and all those, and then the city and county, they, you know, indicate that so much particles is okay. But me, I don't think so. The water doesn't taste as good as when I used to grow up here. Before, when I was growing up, the water tasted very good, clean. Now, it doesn't. Yeah, and many of the restaurants also, when you ask for water, yeah, they put ice cubes, and the water doesn't taste so good. Okay, so here we go. I just gotta pay my due. There we go. I just made my payment, and then here's the water refill section. Okay, so first I get this first one, right, and then place it here, and you know, while I'm holding, shoot some water, clean it out. Okay, so I get the next one. Put it out, put it here, shoot some water in it, and clean it out. Okay, then place it here and push the button to start, and yeah, water coming out. I deal with 1 gallon each, so that way not too much to carry, not too heavy. Okay. Okay, so 1 done. Okay, there we go, right about here. Yeah, then oh yes, looking at this Times Market, the receipt charged me 60 cents, 2 gallons, so that's 120. With tax, comes out 6 cents, so total 126. So it actually come out each gallon is 63 cents, not bad. Okay, and this is my drinking water right here. Of course, I use the water for shower and everything else, but as for drinking or cooking with it, I use this water. Okay. Now, the best method of finding out for yourself the condition, quality of the water that's in Hawaii, right, is, you know, find out when were the water pipes placed in on the ground, which is everywhere, all over the place. There's water pipes. The city and county, they don't have the money to replace all these water pipes just under the ground, so it just keeps on going. Yeah, and the water quality is good, but the corrosion stuff of the water pipes, that's coming in when you're drinking it. Okay, so that's, you know, like find out, you know, for yourself, when were the water pipes placed in, right, and was anything else done to improve it, you know, like lining or anything else, right, or replacing or lining, right, nothing was done. So then look up what the condition of a water pipe is, yeah, for that many years. Yeah, and you know, if you look at, for example, YouTube, there's some professionals, they actually cut the water pipe, you know, like at 50 somewhat years old, and they show you what the quality inside and what kind of corrosion you're getting all falling off inside the water pipe. Okay, and then you can decide, do you want to drink that water? Okay, so this is it for water refill in Hawaii.